When was the last time you had a really great egg salad sandwich? I love egg salad. It's easy to make and I get to enjoy delicious, nutritious eggs with all my favorite herbs. Here's how I don't peel the eggs and my family's favorite egg salad recipe. Let's get to it. First, you gotta hard cook the eggs. I followed the tips from the Manitoba Egg Farmers website. And now we have to peel them, right? Nope, we're gonna cut and scoop. And I spoon it out like an avocado. Now I'm just gonna use a pastry blender and squish those eggs. Voila, beautiful crumbled eggs ready for our dressing. I use sour cream, a little bit of mayo, chives, pickle juice. Yep, pickle juice. If you prefer, you can use vinegar, but seriously, there's a lot of flavor in this vinegar. And we're gonna use a couple of pickles. Uh-oh.
And now you just combine everything together. Sour cream, mayonnaise, pickle juice, salt, pepper, pickles, chives. Stir it well, give it a taste test, and voila.
Egg salad.